In this lecture, I am going to show you a couple of sample programs. One program will be related with reading principal amount, rate of interest and time, and that will be calculating the simple interest. And second program will be to read a number and print its factorial. These are very simple programs. You have already learned these programs in C language. So I am just to make you practice C in, C out more. For that purpose I am showing these sample programs. So this is our main.cpp. I'm going to change the code. This is IO stream and namespace. We have already discussed about that. Here I am going in for declaration of required variables. Okay. First I am going to show you the program of reading a number and printing its factorial. So num variable, then long data type variable fact, which is going to contain the factorial of the number. Now I am going to give the user the prompt, like enter the number. This is the prompt. As you know, whatever we write within double inverted commas is printed as it is. So let me write the statement of this program at the top of the program, and I am using the comment symbol /* and / WAP stands for write a program. Write a program that reads a number and prints its factorial. Okay. So we again come back to the program. C in extraction operator num for reading the number, and the loop is pretty simple that I am going to make. You are already familiar with the program of calculating the factorial. You have done it in C language. So I am writing FACT into is equal to num, as you know, into multiplication is equal to is compound assignment operator. Writing FACT into is equal to num is equivalent to writing FACT is equal to F. So minus num, as you know, to calculate the factorial you will have to reduce the number by 1 each time. So after coming out of the loop block, we will print FACT that will contain the factorial. Let me execute the program and you will see the output. This is the prompt, enter the number, like I have given 9. It is printing the factorial of the number 9. Let me re-execute the program. This time over I am going to give a simple number 5. 120 is the answer. So program is running quite okay. So logic is quite simple. I just wanted to make you practice C out and C in more. Let me write another sample program which is related with reading principal amount, rate of interest and time, and it will calculate and print simple interest. So as usual we are going to use GNU GCC compiler. Go to source main.cpp, and this is going to be the place where I am going to declare the variables which are required in this program. So I'm going like this is PMT stands for principal amount. The names of variables could be anything. ROI stands for rate of interest. SINT for simple interest. I have given the comment declaration of variables. Then I have declared a simple int variable which pertains to time, that is duration for which loan is being given. And this is the prompt. Enter the principal amount, rate of interest and time. Okay, as you know, ENDL is equivalent to, it is an escape sequence equivalent to /n. Okay, now we are using C in, extraction operator PMT, extraction operator ROI, extraction operator TM. So in total we will be asked, the user will be asked values for 3 variables. Okay, let me give the comments reading the values. Okay, so now we are going to write the expression PM to ROI into TM divided by 100. The simple interest will be calculated and that will be subsequently assigned to the variable SINT. Now I am going to print the value of simple interest. Simple interest is equal to will be printed as it is, and in front of this the value of the variable SINT is going to be printed. Let me execute the program. Okay, I'm going to build it. The program will be executed. So the prompt is coming, enter the principal amount, rate of interest and time. Let the principal amount be 1000, rate of interest suppose it's 4.5, time is 3, and this is our output.